Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Tubi app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So we want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Tubi app. Make sure you have installed or downloaded this app right there in your mobile phone. Once you do that, go ahead, tap on this maybe letter option, and then what you can do is simply go ahead, tap on this my stuff option right over here and tap unlock now, and that's this way you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? So what you're gonna do is you can go ahead, choose any of the method to create your account. For the purpose, if you go ahead, type and go with the continue with Google, or if you want you can choose any of the option given, and I'll choose the account. And now you will have to enter your gender and age. Tap on continue and tap on this allow option, and as you can see, once you're done doing that, you can go ahead, get signed up right there in your Tubi like that. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.